Mr. Miyagi.
Oh my God, turn it up.
So intense. It's like I cannot breathe.
Roderick Escott. I'm with Team Down for Sound. It's a 94 Suburban. I had like 22 years. I got 3 McMahon 370s, 4 G30s, 10 Z512s, 5 6K Crescendo amps, 12 UN 10s in the front doors, and 12 UN 10s in the back doors.
Cigar Joe, I'm at Royal Hittazs. It's a 2011 Chevy Tahoe. I got 2 17K Crescendos, limitless lithium 100s storage, 2 of them. Pushing 8 DC Audio L615s, 2 1100.4s. Charging in the front, I have 2 McMahon 500s and a McMahon 370.
It's complicated, no matter what you say, no matter what you do. I only do bad things to you, so good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
This one of them ones. Yeah, Tech 9. I'm a motherfucking gangster, reveal.
My life is amazing.
Party in the river, big bitch name, keep shaking that body. And your bitch with me half naked in the library. We going to the room, I blow smoke on the body. I walk like I talk, lay high seat. Go to money up, fall down on the head. 9 times out of 10, Christian the weed. 9 times out of 10, else on the real.
Yeah, in a Porsche at the block, then I pull up on a porch where they do that at. Those are big ass Philly. You gotta light it with a torch. We young niggas smoking that. He tell you the truth, but he really not. Cause it's on all the time.
Yeah, all my niggas savages, and we do these hoes so scandalous.
9 times out of 10.
That mean we the only one left, nigga think different than he impressed.
9 times out of 10.
Something else right there. That's amazing. Woo.
Awesome.
come out and enjoy, meet people, you know, learn about other people's build, see other people's build, you know.
This makes everybody a family. If you don't come together as a family, it's no fun. There's so many bad vibes in this business and this world out here for no reason. But the truth is, if you get everybody together, you find out everybody's excellent and awesome. It's definitely worth it.
Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. It's JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.